February 7th, and I forgot my tie, but work still gotta be done, so yeah. Listen, I opened a drawer this morning and I swear, I'm thinking, because they gave me two ties, I thought it was the other one, but I should have known because I didn't open the other one, so I don't know. It slipped my mind because I looked right at it. I thought it was in my bag. I don't know. Anyways, my hair is freshly washed. I washed this yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Washed it yesterday. So, freshly washed wig. Okay, so I've been eating a lot of salmon lately. And y'all gonna see why. 11-11. Yo, I miss my mom so much. We're thinking about her like crazy. Like, so unbelievable. Y'all don't understand. Snacking on. Y'all remember this? I got this from Walmart. The curvy one. I had to try it. It smells strong. But I'll show y'all how it looks. But this is the time right now. It's 4:40. And I put this here because you know curry stains. I don't got time. Today's Monday, meaning this is a fresh brand new shirt. So I ain't trying to wash another shirt. That's how the curry look. It had some stuff in there when it was like this. I don't know what that is. I think it's potato. I'm hoping it's potato. Look how it is. But it tastes good. It's okay. Would I buy it again? Probably. It's alright. I haven't eaten cup noodle in a while. I've been eating the bagged ones. Shit. You got a lot of sodium. This shit got a lot of sodium in it. That's good. Bye. Morning. Today is Tuesday. And so I'm having for breakfast. You know how long I have this bottle? Who bought this? I think my sister bought me the bottle. And I never used it. I started using it like last week. Or was it the week before? I never used this bottle. It's like a blender thing bottle. But I'm having a smoothie for breakfast. It's strawberries, pineapples, chia seeds, sea moss, bananas, blueberries. Yeah. My canine mask popped this morning, right when I was about to go on the train. So I had to ask the people at the train station for a mask, and they gave me the white cloth one. I don't like that one because it's big. But so put a regular one on. I did use unsweetened unsweetened almond milk that I got from Dollar Tree. It tastes so good. Look at my face. Yeah, I think my face is clearing up. I think so. It's getting there. Slowly but surely. And I cooked last night. I cooked brown rice with salmon and spinach. Like I said, I'm trying to substitute the white rice, so rice it is. I think Aaliyah and her boyfriend broke up. I love them together. It was so funny. This damn video, y'all see this video on Snapchat? This girl is crazy. I react to this video. I mean, not Snapchat. On TikTok. She said she thought she didn't know her hair grew from her scalp. She thought it grew from the ends. Like, girl, I feel like people just be doing stuff for attention because there's no way in hell you think your hair grew from the ends and not the scalp. Like, that's common sense. Common sense. I feel like I'm like, are you serious?
My favorite energy song. I like Why Don't We Fall in Love, but this one is a banger.
Yo, people on Twitter be bugging. For real, like, Monday be coming too fast. Yup, period. I don't care how much a month say I got you. I'm gonna make sure I got me in case you change up. Period. Make sure you got yourself before, even if somebody tell you they got you. Make sure you got yourself because people be changing. Like, okay. I'm always got myself before anybody. I don't care what nobody say. Yep, nobody can ever have you better than you have you. Yep, they always change up. That's facts. You think people loyal to you, but they're not. You think people got your back, but they don't. This was good. Some still in the bottle. No, it's fine. It does shed a lot though. You're not seeing my synthetic wig is. That should be shedding. Oh, I do got some. I ate some this morning before I left out, and I'm like, let me bring it with me. You know, just crackers. Can't go wrong with crackers. This is annoying. Come on, baby mama. My baby mama. My baby mama. No, for real though. Look on this Oxtail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's not a lot for $75. I was trying to count, but come on now. They ridiculous with this. For real. Yo, did y'all see the ending of Power though? Maybe guys. The ending of the season finale of Power. Oh my god. I love Braden, yo. Braden is bad. Yo, first of all, Tyreek was so scared about Braden being on the stand, but little did he know that he was still gonna have his back. That's what's up. That's some real shit. Like, I was like, I was scared too, because I'm like, hold up. And when he walked in, the best part, you know, about it is like, is it me alone? Me alone does like slow motion stuff like at the right time, you know, in like shows and movies. Like they do it at the right time. That walk when he walked in the courtroom, that shit was fire. The way he walked in the courtroom, and then but the look that he gave Tyreek is like, yeah. The look just feel like I'm not gonna have your back, but it turned out he did have his back. He lied. But damn though, he put his hand on the Bible and he lied. I don't like that. It's a shit butter. But nah, yeah. The ending was crazy. Braden is a loyal. Okay, Braden say, y'all not gonna put me against my friend. Not trying to put me against my friend. So Braden like, nah, I'll play these fools. Since they trying to play me. Because first of all, he didn't want to do it in the first place. So, because that's his friend. So why would he go against his friend? But Braden, loyal one. But that was crazy though. I did not expect that. Did not expect that. But he did his thing. Even though Tariq was being selfish a couple times. But yeah. I fuck with Braden. Because I honestly thought he was gonna like go against Tariq. I did not expect that. Because I'm like, why would he even agree to go on the stand in the first place? There's no way hell you could put me against my friend. Hell no. Nope, not doing it. Oh yeah, but she said she won't get him indicted. He played y'all, and I love that he did that. Don't come to me. I'm trying to put me against my friend. You stupid. Dumb. I would have did the same thing. I would do the same thing. You're not putting me against me. But I know the show, but like I said, was that a real Bible he put his hands on? I hope not. I hope that wasn't a real Bible. Oh, whatever. I think I'm thinking into this too much, but I know it's just a show though. But yeah, I love that part. That was my favorite part of the show. And then you guys case dismissed and everything. Perfect. So yeah, I need to tell y'all the worst Valentine's date I had. The worst. I think I'm gonna tell y'all that story. I don't even care about it. I've been over that shit. So I'm not embarrassed to tell y'all, because if that was the case, I would not have told y'all. I don't care. So I'm gonna tell y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna tell. I'm gonna give y'all a story time about that. Terrible. That shit was terrible. To me, it was. Because I was looking forward to more. So yeah, it was terrible. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a story time on that. I laugh about it now. I was pissed when it happened, but I'm laughing about it now. Because it's like, the fuck? Right. I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't care. I was gonna take it to my grave. But I feel like it's funny. To me, it's just, now it is. Now. At the time it wasn't, because I was pissed. But now it is, because I'm not with the person no more. I don't care. Whatever. Yeah. How y'all doing? Never asked how y'all doing. Me, my mental is still the same. Like, you know, I'm going through it. Still, of course. Still grieving, but moving on at the same time. And live at the same time, because life don't stop. No matter what you go through, life don't stop. So, just gotta keep moving and do what you gotta do. Like I said, I wish I could just be, but I can't be like that because I have my child to live for, and my mom wouldn't want me to do that anyway. So that's about it. I'm just, well, how y'all doing? Where y'all mental at? Lunchtime. It is lunchtime. That's what I'm eating today. Salmon with the rice. Well, it's brown rice, and I had turmeric to it and spinach. I had some spinach that was about to go bad, so I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in the pot. I'm cool. But yeah, I'm in love with salmon. My rice. Oh my goodness. Right here. I have this. It's lemon. No sugar added. I'm doing my eye. And just shake it up. And get lemonade. See? Oh yeah. Taste the salmon though. I'm not letting me taste it. Like I didn't cook it last night. That's how I cooked it last night. Too much. The rice look a little dry, but it's not. Nothing for my food. I was actually editing a video. I'll post it before I leave work. So I'm gonna edit this video. I'm almost finished editing it though. So I'm looking over it. Like I edited it already, and I'm looking over it one more time. And then delete some stuff I don't like, and then I'm gonna add it. And I'm gonna upload it. I've been never pop on a date over the weekend. So yeah. My earphone. Always something new at Bryant Park.
Throw your right hand, crouch down.
I don't know what they doing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's close.
And then push up.
Teaching him how to do it.
Left-handed, so it's not also like.
Time.
I'll do it as like a demo again.
Do it again. All right, let me go to work. 6 minutes. Always something new over here. I think it's no, that's not cars. I don't know what that is. I don't know what they do. The sun is out. Today's Wednesday. So most of the stores is gone. Look at that. Pop, pop, pop that thing. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Go. Morning, guys. A lot of smoothie. This is bananas, pineapple, red apple, chia seed, sea moss, lemon. Actually, squeeze a lemon in there. Blueberries. And yes, I have my crackers again. My water crackers. I'm gonna open the bag. I hate that. I hate when the bananas can change like this. You could take up a freshly yellow banana in the morning and come to work. You have it in a bag. That's how it look now. I'm gonna cut this part off because it was open. But I don't like when the banana is too sweet. I don't like that. But banana gives you more energy than a coffee. Okay? I don't like coffee.